You don't really need to take off the front wheel, but I did it just because this is my first time doing an oil change on this vehicle, and that'll be the oil filter housing. It uses a 27mm socket. Alright, let's get to the bottom of the vehicle. The oil pan is right there. Alright, so I'm under the vehicle. This is the oil pan right here. This is the drain plug, and the drain plug faces the rear of the vehicle. So that's the rear of the vehicle. I don't have much room down here because I didn't really lift the vehicle that high. It's a 17mm socket to get this bolt off. I loosened it already a little bit. Alright, the drain bolt is out, and it looks like it's a magnetic drain, and this is the crush washer. So I'll be replacing this, and it's good that there's no metal shavings or anything. So let me get rid of this crush washer. And in the oil filter kit there should be a crush washer, so I'm using the OEM oil filter. So the model number is 26320-3N000. So there's 2 O-rings in here and a crush washer. And this is the OEM oil filter. Alright, let me get back underneath the car and plug this back up. It's still draining, but I'm not going to wait for it to fully drain. This is good enough. So let me get back underneath. Alright, so for the oil filter, this thing uses a 27mm socket. If you don't have a 27mm socket, you could use an adjustable wrench, I guess, but this is just easier this way. Okay, let me try to set up the camera. I'm also using a drain pan and a funnel to catch the oil. So let me try to set this up. Get away and just okay. Alright, so the oil filter is out. Let's see what this looks like. and this is the new one. What I think I'm gonna do is, when installing it, I think I'm going to just put this little nipple in first to the right position, and then put this little cover on. So there are 2 O-rings here, and these little picks come in handy. The first O-ring is right here, and the second O-ring is on top. So I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm gonna lube up, well, I'm gonna put these on first and then spread some oil on it, and then I'll start filming again. Alright, I didn't get it on video because I stuck it in already, but there's a certain way to put the filter in. The little nipple you see here, it goes in the 6 o'clock position, and there's a little dent in the filter housing, and if you look in, I mean, I'm not going to take the filter out now because it's clicked in there, and there's only one way you can put it in. If you put the nipple in any position, it won't go in, and if you twist it, if the nipple lines up at the 6 o'clock position, it clicks right in. Alright, so the O-ring are on, and let me attempt to screw this back on. I don't mind the sirens because Santa is coming to town, so let me wait for the fire trucks to pass, for Santa to pass, and then I'll start filming again. Sorry if that's out of focus for some reason. Alright, that's good enough. It's tight, but not too tight.